All right, welcome back. It looks like we are live for this Sunday. Happy Sunday. This will be another 30-minute chat or so. I just came back from a beautiful walk here in Ohio. The weather's been stellar. It's 73 degrees at 3:49 p.m. local time. Wow, it's nice. So if anybody's out there wants to say hello, hopefully it's not too late. Those of you who live overseas, that's why I do these. I try to do these at random times during the day to get folks overseas to jump in and say hello when you don't normally have a chance. So I'll stick around for about a half hour or so. I'm going to catch the football game. 4:30. The Steelers play the Cowboys. Rough year for the Cowboys. I think the Cowboys are starting someone's grandmother at quarterback. Fifth string quarterback or something. It's well. Anyway, hello. All right. So for today's topic, what are your top 5 Linux distributions for 2020? If you have a top 5, this Friday night we will probably record a Linux 18, and it'll be our top 5 picks for the best Linux-based systems for 2020. 2020 was another good year for Linux-based systems. I just downloaded one and did a full install here on this laptop. I'll talk about that in a second, more out of curiosity. I have an old ThinkPad, but yeah, probably this Friday around, I don't know, between 9 and 9:30 we'll record a Linux 18, so please check your emails. Thank you for all your support for the channel. That is greatly appreciated. It helps keep the lights on, or in this case, it helps keep one light on. This one right here still works. Anyway, okay. I'll give this a few more minutes. I'm looking at the chat. Again, if you are new, want to say hello, have a question, please do. That's why I do these at random times during the day when I am not doing much of anything. So, all right, let me get situated here. All right, looks good on my end. The stream looks good, very good. So, okay, everything looks good. So let me go talk about a few things again. If you have a top 5 list for your favorite Linux-based systems, please post them in the comments below, and maybe we'll mention your comments sometime the next upcoming weekend. But like I said, this was a good year for Linux in general. So what I did, I have this old, this is a ThinkPad. I believe it's a T60. This originally had Windows XP. Really? Yes, incredible. I know. This is an IBM ThinkPad. It has no. I'm drinking Gatorade. It is not wine today. But this has the metal hinges, not the plastic you see here. So this originally had Windows XP. It still works. So it has. I think it's a Centrino Core Duo Centrino. And I'll do a full video on this sometime this week. 2 gigs of RAM, and I mean it's. I had to put some tape here on the side. If you can see that right there, some tape. I think I dropped it, and it cracked. But you know what? It still works after all these years having Windows XP. What I did, I had Linux Mint. Mate on this because they still make it 32-bit. I deleted it, nothing wrong with it, and I installed Q4 OS, a lighter weight system. It's a full install on this laptop. Okay, now keep in mind just 2 gigs of RAM. That's all this sucker has, and I'll have a full report on that. I can tell you that it's zippier than anything else I have installed on this laptop. Q4 OS is Debian based, I believe, off Debian Stable, Debian Buster, I think, if not mistaken. I don't use Debian that much, but I believe it's Debian Stable for this here. And in fact, let me just show you here real quick. I'll get back to the chat here in a second. So this is what I installed, and if you want more information, it's q4os.org. It says here lean and fast, rock stable. I believe it is definitely, well, it is lean and fast. I think it's rock stable. I haven't really tested it. It's only been about a day or so, but it probably is. I install, you have several options here to install either Plasma or the default Trinity Desktop Edition. Anyway, I'll have more on this. It's meant to look Windows-ish, as you see here through the screenshots. That can be changed, and I can tell you that so far it feels faster, it feels zippier than anything else I've had on that previously Windows XP ThinkPad T60 desktop. So once I get, I'll have to play with this a few more days or a few more hours just to get the feel of it. I'll have a report, but this is something I can recommend if you're trying to save a Windows XP ThinkPad. In fact, maybe that'll be the title of the next video, Save That Windows XP ThinkPad. So take a look at Q4OS. This will not be on my list for the top 5, only because I haven't really played with it that much. Those of you who have played with this with a full install, let me know. But I like what I see so far. It's meant to be more friendly based, Debian based system. So let me know what you guys think about Q4 OS. Okay, the music stopped. Let's continue playing my dad's music. Some nice Italian instrumentals. If you like what you hear, you can check out the link below to Bandcamp. You can download the songs for $1 each and support the channel to keep the lights on. Okay, let's go to the stream, to the comments here. The stream looks good. Okay. By the way, thanks to the Slim Man Band last night. They performed a pay-per-view concert from California. That guitar player freaking rocks. I mean, they're all good. World-class musicians. The ticket was only $15. What a bargain. So Slimmy, thank you. In fact, I just texted him. Thank you, Slim and the band. Really marvelous group of musicians. Excellent talent. I hope to have Slim Man maybe back for a Christmas show here on the channel. Share some Christmas stories, some original tunes. He has some original songs and maybe a few jokes here and there. So thank you, Slim. We have Zaxxon. I hope I say that right. Welcome. How are you? Are you new? The name does not ring a bell. If you're new, everybody say hello to Zaxxon. It sounds like a evil guy from Star Wars. Oh, that's Anakin Skywalker. Oh, I was close. Anyway, salute. Hello, Mark. Welcome. How are you? Leviticus is in the house. Mark said, don't know if Ubuntu gets your top 5. Well, we'll talk about it Friday night when we record a Linux A-Team for the best of 2020. Dan says, Debian, you have to want to break it. For Debian stable, yes. Hello, Kenny. Kenny's top 5 is Mint, MX, Peppermint, Ubuntu, Ubuntu Mate, Linux Lite. That's a good list. Yeah. That's a good list, yeah. Q4OS looks like Windows XP. Yeah. I don't have a problem with it. I mean, I changed how it looks. I'm not going to show you now, but I'll have to do a video. Yeah, I was really more interested in the speed of it and the fact that it's Debian stable, rock solid. So, Pinguy OS still being made. I don't know. No. Hello, Token. How are you? Anthony McDonald says hello. And Zaxxon say hello. Yeah, I think Q4OS so far looks good. It was, like I said, Linux Mint Mate works fine on it, but I was more out of curiosity. Q4OS. I'm always looking for something faster, right? Stability, speed, and special looks. That's my 3 S's of Linux. So, by the way, if the music's too loud, let me know. I'll turn it down a notch. So it just helps me relax. Like a refined Windows XP for the modern era. What, Q4OS? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I installed it. Like I said, you can choose between the standard Trinity desktop or Plasma. I used the what did I do? I wanted to play music. I had to use the welcome screen has a shortcut to install the music, the multimedia codecs. I mean, I could have done it on my own through the terminal, but that makes it a lot easier. A lot easier. Even us experienced guys don't mind using beginner stuff to speed things up. Right? And Accent says the music is okay. Thank you. It's from my dad from his music vault from Calabria, Italy. He called me yesterday. It's been a rough year. I haven't seen him all year. He's still stuck over there. He's okay, but obviously scared to travel. So it's been rough for both of us. But he's hanging in there. Tokens using Salient. Okay. Trinity Desktop is awesome. Well, I'll let you know when I play with it some more. So far, it's stable. And it's definitely the fastest thing I've installed on a 2 gigabyte system on this ThinkPad. The ThinkPads are freaking awesome, man. They just rock. It's no wonder ThinkPad, they chose to give us about, what, 30 choices for Ubuntu installed ThinkPads, desktops. It's for a reason. ThinkPads rock. And Zaxxon is new here. Well, everybody say hello. I know some of you have say hello. Welcome, and Zaxxon. How are you? This. I have wine here, but I'm going to save that. But this is to you. This music is so relaxing. I am suffering from election exhaustion. Anyway, but that's a different topic. Mark loves your ThinkPad, but needs some TLC. Well, stop dropping it, like I do. Anthony says you ventured out to other distros, but keep coming back to Ubuntu Mate. So do I. You know, that's going to be in my top 5 list. It's my Linux gold standard. It just works. It's you know, Debian-based systems like Ubuntu Mate. You know, there's a reason Debian's been around so long. You know, Debian stable is just that. It's just stable. So, Poindexter, hello. I actually upgraded. I have a backup machine, a gateway that you can't see over here. I upgraded to the latest Ubuntu 20.10. I didn't have to. It was more out of curiosity to see if there's any performance enhancement. Not really. It's still fairly slow compared to other systems, but I used the other computer last night with Ubuntu to watch Slimmy's concert from California. Or as Arnold would say, it's from California. Blah, it's fantastic. Let's see here. I think ThinkPads may want to replace the LCD on the older ones. If this one goes bad, Mark, it's going in the recycle bin. Yeah, I mean, I've had this. It's been a few years. I lost track, but I just don't use these that much. I use my phone. This has stereo speakers. This is a Motorola, best budget phone on the market. I have a new one coming in, I think, tomorrow. But this has stereo speakers. I use this in my Chromebook. I don't use my ThinkPads that much anymore, unless to test some kind of a system, Linux system. Not dropping, I damaged the keyboard palmers in a weird way. Okay. Ubuntu has gotten stale. Stability can be boring and stale. I would have to agree. It's not exciting, but that's okay. Ubuntu does not work well on your hardware, Dan? Okay, Debian does. Well, if you're using Debian Stable, yeah. Don't expect the latest software for Debian Stable. Yeah, but that's how it was designed. There's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, Linux is still a hit and miss, generally speaking. But if you have the time to learn something new and want to try Debian, if you go to the website, I believe Debian still offers the net installer. I think, Dan, where you can download, install from the web, and choose different desktop environments. Unless that's been changed, so you tell me. I haven't messed with it in a while, but yeah, Debian Stable can't go wrong. So, Spin Viking says number 1 on your list 2 is Ubuntu Mate 20.04. Okay, I got a feeling that's going to be top 5, at least top 5, top 10 on anybody's list. Martin Wimpress has done a fantastic job with Ubuntu Mate. I have 20.04. It just works. That's 99% of my streams. I'm on this. Every once in a while, I'll stream on my other one here. You can't see, but right behind me is a sofa where I like to lay down, or sometimes I'll watch TV, do some stretches here on the carpet, and sometimes I'll do a live stream on my Ubuntu machine. But normally it's from this here. So. Among the major problems with ThinkPads was so heavy. Well, how do you think I got to be in shape, man? I'm lifting ThinkPads. 1 and a 2. They are a little bit heavier, but that's for a reason. Actually, the one thing about these here, I think these CD drives can come out, and you can install like a battery in here, I think. I haven't messed with this in a while. Can I do it with this one? Yeah, some of these you could take out the CD drive, it pops out, and stick in like an extra battery. I'm not sure about this one. Let me see. Yes, you can. So the CD drive comes out, and if I wanted to, I can order, instead of this, an extra battery and pop that in there. I seldom use a CD, so instead of 2 hours, I can get maybe 4 hours just to get an extra battery. There's a word for this, hot swap, something like that, but I don't use it that much. We have Abdel Feta Fahim, welcome. Hope I say that right, sir. Welcome. Ubuntu DDE, very good. I think I tested that. It looked pretty nice. Welcome to the show. I think you are new to the stream. Everybody say hello to Fahim. Milenko Litik says, hi there. Hope all is good. By the way, nice topic. Yeah. I would say Slackware always in first place. Oh wow, Slackware. Arch, Debian, and CentOS? Really? CentOS? Yeah. Dad says, man, that's an old CD. Well, I told you it had Windows XP. Right? It works. What could I say? See, these are like the Lexus of laptops. Right, Dan? Let's see if I could open. It doesn't have a wide screen, but... it's clean, you know? Ooh, it has a fingerprint reader. Wow. It works. You know, sometimes I'll play this in the garage, play music and stream music and stuff, you know, but keep it till it breaks. Yeah. Hello, Grey Wolf. Buy a caddy and install an extra hard drive. Yes. Yeah. That is true. Mark says it's gorgeous. I keep it clean. Yeah, they work. That's why I recommend ThinkPads. If you are new to this and wanted to try Linux, buy a refurbished ThinkPad. Don't spend more than 200 bucks. All you need is 4 gigs of RAM. Get more. Install any Linux and try it out, and that's how you'll know. You know, you will not be disappointed. Let's see, where are we here? 4:08. I'll stick around about another 10 minutes, then we'll wrap this up. Watch my Cowboys lose again. Am I trying to choose a distro for that laptop? Actually, I had Linux Mint on this, Mate, and it's fine. I installed Q4OS. I mentioned that before you came in. I installed Q4OS, and I'll have a report sometime this week. A full install, not a dual boot or nothing. But yeah, this is what I installed. This should be up on your screen here now. So Trinity Desktop, fast, simple, Debian stable based. That's what I installed, and it does feel faster. Not much, but there is a noticeable difference in speed with the machine with just 2 gigs of RAM. So yeah. Dennis, Ubuntu Studio. Wow, nobody mentions Ubuntu Studio that much. Okay. Still a good choice. Again, those are all Ubuntu based. I'm seeing a theme here, right? Grey Wolf has Manjaro. Okay. You're looking for a motherboard to fix something? Okay. Jesper! My Denmarkish friend, my Danish friend. How are you? This is for Jesper. How are you? What a beautiful country there. I don't know how to say cheers in Danish, but I'll say it in Italian. Salute. Keeping your ThinkPad indefinitely. Well, I'm going to keep it till they stop. I got 2 of them. When they're done, they're done. I'm not going to do anything to fix it or anything. So, LJ Pellegrino is in the house. Welcome, welcome. So again, those of you who came in late, we will probably do a Linux 18 this Friday. Check your emails. Anybody who supports the channel automatically gets an invite to the shows. So this Friday night probably we'll do our top 5 picks for the best Linux for 2020. And let's see, it just came up error on the stream. Give it a second here. Says no data. Hang on. Can you guys still hear me at least? It says error. Oh, things are running so smooth. Let's let me restart this. Hopefully this will work. I'm not sure what's going on. Let's see. Is it going to fix itself? Okay, let me restart this. Okay, I had to restart the stream. It came up error on my end. So hopefully this is working out okay. Sorry about that. The A sounds like O in English. Ah. Cheers equals skull? Ska? Skull. Skull. Okay. Yeah, I'm freezing up. I don't know what happened. Everything went smoothly. Now it just, You can hear. Okay, as long as you guys can hear. Sorry about that. I restarted the stream. I think it got caught up here. I think we're okay now. Sorry about that. Yeah, just all of a sudden I saw red alert. Red alert. See, we talk about Arch and things happen. Things break. Just kidding. Anyway, cheers, Jesper, my Danish friend. Tam is in the house. Welcome. It's okay now, yeah. It looks good. It's all green on my end. Okay. I've been fairly lucky with these streams. Smooth just for today. I'm not sure. Maybe it's the wind. I don't know. Anyway. Gremlins in the Internet. That sounds like a name of a horror film. Coming soon. Gremlins in the Internet. Dennis says hello, 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 hello. And Arita, darling, you look marvelous. I know. I'm just imagining you look marvelous. I don't know if you do, but that's okay. The video is out of sync. Oh well. Yeah, it's green on my end, so dropped frames, nothing. Okay. Anyway, yes. Anna says always look sexy and ready for toss. Yes. I'm too sexy for my Arch, too sexy for my Debian. I need to smile and laugh. It's been an exhausting week. Anyway. Okay, let's give this a 5-minute warning and we'll wrap it up for today. First I want to play my dad's favorite song. True Love Never Dies. Great title for a song. The weather in Ohio is excellent. Sunny and 73. In fact, the last 3 days here, it's been Debian stable weather. Cannot complain. I mean, really, really nice. Yeah. So, 70s in Jersey, New Jersey. Yep. Cool. Milenko says, what is my top 5? We will talk about that Friday night during the Linux 18. You'll have to wait. Jesper says, no wine today. It's over here. I don't feel like grabbing it and pouring it. Today it's Gatorade, so orange Gatorade. Yeah, no wine in Linux today. Get it, wine and Linux. So, you're welcome. I think we're all caught up here with the comments, right? I think we are. So again, if there's anybody new wants to say hello, I should have my new phone coming in this week. Debian stable weather, yes, Jesper. So I had to order a new phone. This is a Motorola G7 Plus. This is the international version, and it doesn't work on all the bands here in the United States. So come January, this phone may not work the way it should, at least not on T-Mobile. So I had to buy a USA Motorola phone. Whatever. Pizza-loving nerd is in the house. Long time no see, I know. Welcome. Even though we're towards the end here, but you can watch us on the replay. Okay, last call for comments, and we'll wrap it up. Jesper says all your bad jokes, you love them. Slim Man is good at jokes too. Yeah. I am still on mate. Absolutely, yes. Of course. Pizza loving nerd is never awake when you are streaming. Really? I started like a half hour ago. '67 says my top 5 in the open order: MX-19, AHS, Pop OS, Triskel, Bunsen Labs. Interesting. 5G. Poindexter says, oh, the phone I'm getting 5G? No. Maybe next year. I stick with Motorola because it has stereo speakers. It has moto gestures like chop the flashlight, you know, stuff like that. So, but I get these mainly because of the stereo speakers. It's the best sounding phones on the market for $300 or less. You can't beat it. Best budget phones on the market. This, the one I got was the Moto G. What did I get? The Moto G Stylus. It was between that and the Power, but I wanted the extra storage, so got the Moto G. I've never had a stylus phone. Don't know if I'm going to use the stylus, but don't I usually stream in the morning? You know what? It varies. Yeah. I try to do these at different random times so people overseas have a chance to jump in. I don't have a set schedule. I've been working on it for the last 2 years. It just hasn't worked out, but I do these at random times so people can jump in from overseas. So if anybody wants to sponsor a live event, let me know. It's been kind of quiet here the last couple months, so yeah. You like Pure OS, Zorn, Pop OS, Arch, and Fedora. Okay, alright. Jesper has been playing with Debian and Vanilla. Too much work to set it up. Yeah, it's not really designed for beginners. Yeah, I would have to agree there. It takes more time. Alright, I think we'll wrap it up for today. So sometime this week I'm going to play with my new Q4 OS and this ThinkPad. So far it works the way it should, and then we'll probably do another Linux A team maybe Friday evening. We'll see. Mark says just Manjaro. Okay, whatever works. Anna says sorry wife just called me to check if your dress was too tight. I don't wear dresses during the day, just at night. But bump. It is 22:22 where you live. Okay, 10. That was it. 10:22 there. Okay, that's not too late. That's why I try to come on during the day. And I mean, if I come on at night, everybody overseas is usually sleeping, you know, so it's kind of pointless. So she called to check her dress. Oh, well, you said my dress. I'm like, I'm not wearing it. I'm wearing shorts, but not wearing it. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up, guys and girls. So thank you for stopping by. To the new folks that came on, great to see new people here. I should do these more often when I can. So thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your support of the channel. It's greatly appreciated. And I'll catch you sometime later. So be safe out there. Stay healthy, okay? Arrivederci, my friends. Take care.